Hello everyone, my name is Ebba Lund. I'm the CEO of the IASP, the International Association of Science Parks in Areas of Innovation. We are a global membership-based network gathering science technology parks, innovation hubs, innovation districts and knowledge-based business incubators all around the world, present in 77 countries and with management teams in over 300 innovation projects around the world. They are also the gateway to over 100,000 companies, all from the startups to SMEs to the big corporates. So really a global innovation community. And among our members, we also have AMTZ from India in Vizag. It also gave us the opportunity to tour the location, to see the different companies and institutions. And we are truly impressed with the big progress that have been achieved in such a short period of time. So members from 2018, and really with a lot of different facilities in place for the entrepreneurs in the medtech sector, also to facilitate this type of medtech devices and instruments for the community. So we were also really impressed to see when touring the ecosystem yesterday, the different companies and institutions fully embracing the model of the triple helix with strong government connection, with the private companies and also with the academia to really support technology transfer and knowledge transfer at a broad level. And driving into this program that we have from the Asia Pacific division, that's a conference we have once a year, connecting peers from the region to have meaningful conversations around the industry, about the science park concept and model. And it has been insightful also today with all the different sessions that we have been listening into and had a lot of conversations with the local community.